people want to improve their videos through video editing and enhance their video editing skills. And it's pretty easy to do that through Capcut. So you might notice that everyone is talking about Capcut blur background. And to do this, you need to make sure that your Capcut version is of the latest version. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make blur background video in Capcut. So let's get started. Now the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open your Capcut app. And then select the video that you want to add blur background to. And if you haven't already added the video right here, you can always do that by pressing new project right at the top. So press on the video that you want to add blur background. Now the next thing you want to do is go to effects, and it's at the very bottom row, and you'll see near the right end that it says effect right here. So click on effects and then click on video effects. So right now it's on trending. You can see it's highlighted in white. We want to go to basic, and it's at the very top black line. And then just go ahead and press on the blur option. So yours might not be here exactly where mine is, but it's definitely somewhere here. So press on blur and then press on the tick mark next to the D3D at the very top row where you have just clicked basic right here. So you can see right now it says blur, and you can just drag this to your video length. So mine is done. It has been dragged to the whole video length. And once you've done that, just press on the arrow option at the bottom left corner right here, and then press it again, and then press on overlay. It's next to effects right here at the bottom, and then press on add overlay. So click on the same video that you have, and then click on the bubble icon, and the overlay will be highlighted. Next, scroll down at the bottom, and then you'll see remove background. So tap on it, and then the background will be removed of the overlay that we just added. So you can zoom in to make the overlay slightly bigger, and then when you play it, it will look like that. It's not the best as it could be, as the people are not clear, but the process is the same. So you have learned how to make a blur background video in Capcut. So if your problem was solved and you're satisfied, do leave a like, comment, and subscribe.